Hey, y'all already know we back, and y'all already know it is going to be a quick little video. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Now guys, so last night, let me tell y'all, when I could not sleep, I was up on every single hour, every 30 minutes, every minute. Your girl was up. I was binge watching a show. I think it's called Haven. So yeah, so I'm still not done, but yeah, that's what your girl was doing. And again, your girl has so many different things that she get ready to do for y'all for basically, the new year. See, nobody wants a person. Every time they come on camera, it is always the same thing. See, sometimes y'all gotta spice it up a little bit, But I do understand some people just don't have the means or the mind. Some people are very, very childlike, so they can't do that. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do, some, different little things. Some things that you guys keep asking me to do. Guess what? They are getting ready to fall in place. Now, we are going to go ahead and we are going to talk about strong mommy Chrissy, about Christina, about Starla Omega. Yeah. Now, first let me say that a lot of you has been coming to me asking me how I feel about Chrissy and this whole entire Christmas giveaway that she is giving for a needy family. See, to be honest, I really wasn't going to speak on it because I just didn't really, I got to be honest, I wasn't. Now, I myself did not know that this is something that Chrissy does every year. I didn't know. And I'm glad I didn't know, because I would have came on here speaking of something that I don't even know about without researching. See, that's the thing. And then we're going to get back to this. See, a lot of people, they come on and they try to say things about you, but they don't know you. They have not researched you. So on the other end of the people that actually know you, they are looking at you real, real crazy. So yeah, I didn't know that Chrissy did this every year. I didn't know. My thoughts, I decided to go over there and look, I guess the day before she decided to go ahead and delete the actual listings of what she wanted people to purchase from Amazon for these families. And for some reason, I clicked on the top one at first, and then I just was like, this is stupid to me. So I went ahead on and I clicked on the bottom one. Now, Chrissy, that right there blew the shit out of me. You had everything on that list that a person in their 30s or 50s plus, because when you're 50 plus, that means you are under the category as a senior citizen. And I ain't talking to my girls on here that that's 50 and they just beautiful. You get what I'm saying? Because a lot of my sisters on here, yeah, they were real cute. All right, don't even look their age. But what it is though, they are wise. You get me? And yeah. So I clicked on the link, right? And I'm sitting there with my phone and I'm like, whoa. Put my phone down, put my hands in my lap, put my head down for a minute, talk with God to say, God, you already know for the new year, I'm trying to, go through an intervention. Everybody's sending me through an intervention. But this right here, right now, God, I'm getting ready to act a total fool about it. So now, Chrissy, what needy family that is needy and is trying to get some gifts for their children would put some AirPods on there. I guess that's what they call AirPods, earpods or whatever. The only thing that I know is they were over $200. And I said, Chrissy, there you go. You tried to get over on us. You know damn well that is your list, okay? You might as well have just went ahead on there and put on car insurance, car payments, and just because I am the strong mommy Chrissy that I am, go ahead and get my windows tinted as well. I said, wait a minute. She said earpods. Girl, go ahead and throw on an iPad or, you know what I'm saying, a MacBook up on there, girl. I was waiting. When I seen the earpods, I said, I already know this bitch got on here a MacBook. If she got a MacBook on here, I am getting ready to shut YouTube down. I said, wait a minute. I couldn't believe it. I said, oh, okay. Chrissy, let me tell y'all something. She don't be having no shame in her game. Not whatsoever. Now, I went head on and, you know, looked in here and there, whatever. And the rest of the gifts, to be honest, guys, they seem kind of, you know, a good price for a needy family. But that last one, y'all, almost took me completely out. Right? I mean, yeah. Almost took me completely out. I don't know if y'all know, but my fat ass got asthma. I had to go ahead and look at my nightstand and get my asthma pump. And y'all already know how King is, my Yorkie. He just standing there looking like, I don't know why you keep going on there looking at that shit. You already know what it is. Yeah. But don't hold back. Wait a minute, I'm not done. The other thing that got me, threw me for a little loop, is the fact that some of those items on there, you get me? Some of those items on there, you said that your kids really liked. Like that unicorn stuff, you know, the real colory stuff. You know, the little Fortnite stuff that you said your son basically goes hard for all day, every day. Yeah, so I was, you know, I ain't going to say that, you know, you was trying, you know, yeah, you know what, I am going to kind of throw it out there a little bit, that I think that some of these gifts went strictly to the kids, the strong mommy Chrissy gang. I sure do. I went on to look, another thing that really got me too, Chrissy. I said, wait a minute. Now, you have a family that is asking for you to help them with Christmas. This one right here, Chrissy, it was a bad one. This was a serious one that I was like, okay, I'm done with this whole entire registry. At first, it was the AirPods, the earpods, whatever you call them. I don't even have none myself, okay? We got some laying around here, some Apple ones, but they ain't for me, you get me? Because, you know, we all spoiled over here. Yeah, you already, you know we all spoiled over here. That's why they be mad. They be mad. They're going to be even madder for the new year. So, look. Can you tell me why it was a care, you know, the little bundle that they have of Dove? I'm sitting there and I'm like, if I'm trying to get some Christmas stuff and some toys, I'm damn sure ain't gonna put no Dove liquid soap on there. Yeah, Chrissy, I had to ask you about that one. Liquid soap? Dove? What? It's that bad they can't go get a bottle of Dove soap or a bar? Come on now. I said, okay. I said, there go Chrissy with this bullshit. Because we definitely know Chrissy likes some Dove soap. We definitely know. And I mean, the other thing that, got me was the fact that, how you had 12 families. I feel like, what happens if you didn't get everything or some things for some families? Did you put in for it? I mean, I was just confused with that. I was confused of the fact as well is that the Amazon one, you said the actual people name, but the Instagram ones, you said you would not show their names, but you would show their Instagram channels. Another thing that stuck out to me as well, and many people had said something about it as well, is the fact that some of those Instagram names that you were bringing up and saying, we couldn't find them, honey. They were invisible. Yeah, we couldn't find them, baby. We could not find them. I mean, it is what it is. I wasn't going to go look for them. But y'all already know the Reese squad, my little PCs. You already know my PCs went to go look. So yeah, that was real weird to me too. Now, what I am going to say is that, I didn't want to think this way because, they are always saying people of color. You get what I'm saying? Kind of try to do things like this. When y'all feel me on that? But, yeah, I just was thinking that maybe you should have did 1 or 2 families. That's my thoughts. That's my opinion. I totally understand that, you wanted to do 12. But it just seemed to me that 12 was a big range of number to put yourself out there for anything to go wrong, for people's minds to wonder like they did. Because truly, Chrissy, I gotta say this, they are looking at you like, okay, she puts 12 families up there. Because if she was getting something for her kids, I ain't even gonna lie, she gonna need about 12 families to buy for all of them. You feel me? So you already in the past, was having some problems, your eviction, the furnishing, your pods. I mean, you had a lot of shit going on last year. This year. But what I will say to you, Chrissy, and you know what I mean? Y'all know I'm going to tell you this truth, what the fuck ever. You have completely done a 360 on these YouTube streets. Listen to me clearly, absolutely. Please believe me. Yes, you have. Now, I don't know how long this is going to last, but yes, I clearly see that you have turned your head completely around. Now, you still got the problem with the fashion, but we can correct that too as well. But as yourself, how you're carrying yourself, how you're branding yourself, oh yeah, you're doing it right now. But yeah, that was it. I noticed you kept Bay off of camera. And I feel as though for you, that was an excellent thing to do. Yeah, so anyway, you kept them. You went ahead and posted, when y'all was in the kitchen. You had your little Santa Claus outfit on already. And he had his face turned to the side. That's all you could see was the side view. I had my phone. I ain't even gonna lie. It was like, okay, let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's go ahead and look at main man. All right. And baby, I couldn't really see too much, but I could see a little bit. Okay. But yeah, you kept it. So at the end of this actual video where you spoke about you were doing some shopping, and things of that nature, and the Thanksgiving cooking, and your boyfriend came over and y'all had such a nice time. Y'all seem to be really in a really good place. It's always a party with you and him. He's fun, he's energetic, his personality is great. I mean, I gotta tell you, Chris. I gotta tell you, Chris. So when you went head on at the end of your video, right? And y'all were, acting like kind of goofy or whatever in front of the little table where you had your little decorations and everything. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know. He is a very nice looking young man. We're gonna go ahead and get into, that beautiful, beautiful skin. Yeah, the skin was real on point. The dreads had, a nice little quick, clean, fresh, dread up or whatever. Nice little, shirt on and everything. And, you were, real presentable, whatever. You looked good in there. Yes, both of y'all look very good together. I am happy to see that you have someone that has the same personality as you and is fun, because let me tell you, what the fuck is his name? DeMarcus? DeMarcus was boring as shit. I mean, DeMarcus just would sit there just like this. I mean, he was boring as shit. Even when they did the little interview with him talking or whatever, and the other baby mommy, oh my God, girl. He was just so, you just wanted to go through the camera or the phone and just punch him in his back to make him go and tick a little bit faster. Like, it was blowing me. But it seemed like y'all have a really, really good, rapport. And as a couple, both of y'all look really, really well together. But Chrissy, you already might as well tell us, girl, when you gonna go ahead and get that new baby coming. We already know, and he gonna be dreaded up at 1 year old. Yeah, girl, when is that new baby coming? Because I can tell you right now, I don't think that you will even make it through 2021 without a baby registry gracing our face at all. Yeah, like I said before, or I don't know if I did. I mean, I'm really happy for you, because we don't see you in the, the bathroom anymore crying and lashing out at everybody, and we don't see it anymore. Everybody cleans up well. It's just all in when you do it and how you do it. So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of this video. I am tired, okay? I was out for an entire night. Let's get into this bullshit too. I was out, sitting inside of my car. You know why? For the entire night, with a damn blanket on. Car on. The whole entire night. Only thing I'm gonna say to you guys, because I'm still pissed off about it, PlayStation 5. I'm still blown about it. But you do what you do for your kids, because it is what it is. All right. So I am going to see you guys in the next video. Later.